everyone, and welcome back to Learn Levantine Arabic. In today's video, I will teach you how to conjugate the verb to go. We'll start with the past tense conjugation, with many examples, and then the present tense, and we'll also learn the present continuous, I'm going, using what we call the active participle. If you want to improve your Arabic right now, please keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump into it. Verb to go in the past tense. أنا رحت. أنا رحت. أنت رحت. أنت رحت. أنتِ رحتِ. أنتِ رحتِ. أنتوا رحتوا. أنتوا رحتوا. هو راح. هو راح. هي راحت. هي راحت. نحن رحنا. نحن رحنا. هم راحوا. هم راحوا. So this is the conjugation of verb to go in the past tense. Now, if we want to say, I went to school, in English we add to after the verb to go. In Arabic, after راح we add على, or ع, which is the shortened form of على. رحت على المدرسة. رحت على المدرسة. رحت على المدرسة. or رحت على المدرسة. رحت على المدرسة. رحت على المدرسة. Another example. We went to the airport. رحنا على المطار. رحنا على المطار. رحنا على المطار. رحنا على المطار. If we want to say, I went to someone's house, in Arabic, we add عند or لعند. Both of these mean exactly the same thing. To say I went to my friend's place, it would be رحت عند صاحبتي. رحت عند صاحبتي. صاحبتي here is a female friend. A male friend is صاحبي. رحت عند صاحبي. رحت عند صاحبي. Or رحت لعند صاحبتي. رحت لعند صاحبتي. We don't need to say house or bait. عند implies it. You might confuse this with the verb to have, عندي. It is the same preposition, so telling the difference depends on the sentence structure and the context. For example, عنده كتاب means he has a book. عنده كتاب. رحت عنده means I went to his place. رحت عنده. That was the past tense. Now let's conjugate verb to go in the present tense. Here we have the conjugation with the ba. I go, أنا بروح. بروح. You go, masculine, أنت بتروح. بتروح. Feminine, أنتي بتروحي. بتروحي. You plural, أنتوا بتروحوا. بتروحوا. He goes, هو بيروح. هو بيروح. She goes, هي بتروح. بتروح. We go, نحنا منروح. منروح. They go, هم بيروحوا. بيروحوا. For example, My son goes to school every day. ابني بيروح على المدرسة كل يوم. ابني بيروح على المدرسة كل يوم. I go to work by car. بروح على الشغل بالسيارة. بروح على الشغل بالسيارة. If you want to say I'm going somewhere, we use the active participle of the verb راح. It gives the meaning of the present continuous. However, the active participle is not a verb per se. It functions as a noun or an adjective in Arabic. So we have feminine, masculine, and plural forms. The singular masculine is رايح. رايح. The singular feminine is رايحة. رايحة. And the plural is رايحين. رايحين. So using the subject pronouns, for the masculine, I'm going, أنا رايح. أنا رايح. You are going, أنت رايح. أنت رايح. He's going, هو رايح. هو رايح. The feminine, I'm going, أنا رايحة. أنا رايحة. You're going, أنت رايحة. أنت رايحة. She's going, هي رايحة. هي رايحة. And for the plural, we're going, نحن رايحين. نحن رايحين. You're going, أنتو رايحين. أنتو رايحين. And they're going, هم رايحين. هم رايحين. Where are you going? Speaking to a male. وين رايح? وين رايح? Speaking to a female. وين رايحة? وين رايحة? And speaking to a group of people. وين رايحين? وين رايحين? We commonly use the verb to go with other verbs. I'm going to sleep. رايحة أنام. رايحة أنام. I like to go work out on the beach. بحب أروح ألعب رياضة على الشط. بحب أروح ألعب رياضة على الشط. بحب, I like. أروح, to go in the present tense. ألعب رياضة, to work out, or literally to play sports. على الشط, on the beach. And we can use the verb to go to give a command. Go study. روح أدرس. روح أدرس. روح is the verb to go in the imperative. أدرس, study, is also conjugated in the imperative. روح أدرس. And now it's time for you to go study. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. مع السلامة. Bye bye.